Alrighty, here's basically what I'm up to today. Taking the insulation out of here, and you can see I've already done this. I mean, further down, remove that floor rot. I mean, not bad for a free trailer. Should have all this buttoned up in a week. Here the old vent came out, the old dryer vent. What else do you want to see? I mean, you want to hustle and get shit done. This is how we roll, low budget. All in construction materials and a geo. I bet you never thought you could fit a 10-foot roll of underlayment in there, or house wrap. Never thought. It's funny, you can kind of see it. Just gotta jam it through. You got room, you can fit 10-foot supplies in this thing. But other than that, you know, look at this beauty. Cost me about $5,000 to move it and clean it out from all the garbage that was in it. Get a nice pile of logs. There's the slab for the garage ready to roll in. Plenty of wood, plenty. I got insane amounts of wood around here, lifetime supply. Beautiful scenery right over there, 1,000 acres of public land. I don't know, maybe an update. You want to see what's going on inside this thing? Welcome. Have a look. On special, the water heater and the water lines froze when the old owner had it, so we had some rotting floorboards I'd tear out. Pretty much working on that. A little bit in the bathroom. Also, the previous owner had a habit of leaving that window open, so I had to like reframe the outer framing there. Reframe that window in. Should redo some drywall in here. Move this electrical box. I mean, you're kind of here. Kept the cabinets in. Yeah, there was a bolt holding that in. Sure as hell. But yeah, basically, I'm gonna get the heater in here first. This stuff was kind of still a little frozen, so I want to really completely dry it out. Get that furnace in here. Probably just gonna point it out one of the windows for now. It's really kind of too cold of weather for me to want to go tearing my roof off and putting a hole in it. Maybe I can run it through this window. To get a measurement to see how high it sits up. Probably gonna have to go with that one. Put like a concrete block on the bottom and shim it and then put something up top. We'll see, maybe you'll see it in a bit. Not bad though, not bad for free, come on. We'll have that done, yeah, as soon as I can, right? Kills all the floor, paint it all, repaint everything. Make sure all my drains are in. Got the kitchen sink I didn't have to do anything to. Bought the toilet drain, you can see there. Got a vent, another sink. To pop these out to get the flooring in. I think I just gotta heat these up. Try and salvage as much pipe as possible. That stuff ain't cheap. Not by any means. But yeah, ripped all the black mold out. Cut even over here. I had to cut some of the... You can see that all has brand new framing on the bottom there. Brand new pieces of flooring. Which I... what do you call that? Like I stole. You see these little pieces here. This is the 1-inch flooring. This is the 3/4 inch framing board. Plus some of the back wall here was rotted. Had to cut that out. But yeah, I sniped some of this from over here on this run, which was half rotted down here and up to here. So I stole some from in here. Was able to reuse that down there. I mean, that 1-inch subflooring is about $117 a sheet, and I need about 6 of them, so it ain't too bad, but it's kind of kind of spendy at this moment of the year. This window's busted. We're going to need to fix that. If anyone's got a... all it needs the bottom piece to this. I could probably do the whole thing. Looks like the... getting ice on the inner layers there, that window. Probably just should get a whole new window. When I reinstalled it, it dropped about half an inch. Because I had to reframe it. I don't know, something to... kind of can run into mistakes like that. Oh well, I don't know, it's fine. Just run a little piece of flashing up on the outer side, it ain't leaking. But yeah, what is this? This is like a 36 by 53 window, I think. Just get my measuring tape out. I can use my old trusty hand. 10 3/4, so we bump it up there, it's 11. 22. About half of that, but what? Jeez, well, we can measure it up from there to there. 1, 2, it's 3 inches off of 10, so 7 more on to 22. What's that, 29, 30? Something like that. Wish I had the exact measurement for you. But if you got a whole window, probably just get the whole window. It's a 53 or a 54 by 36. Anyway, yeah, you can see here where the pipes were busted. Just they were too cheap. Didn't try doing it right. They could have maybe gotten some good money out of this trailer, but hey, their loss, my gain, you know. I couldn't be more pleased. That's about it for now. We'll come back and have it a little more cleaned up for you. Dream Factory out.